Hi, this is Honey from All Hands and Hearts here in the Philippines. May of 2024, we started our second Southern Leyte program in the community of Mahayag, and this is what we built. We are handing over this disaster resilient building to the Mahayag Elementary School that has approximately 80 students from kindergarten to grade 6. In addition to the building itself, we have also built a wash facility and a water filtration system. In this program, we have employed 13 local masons from the local community. And we are training 4 female masons. To date, we have had over 100 volunteers from all over the world. Let's ask the kids what they think about the new school.
Wonderful. Dako. It is colorful. Wonderful. I love so much.
But wait, there's more. Our work here in Southern Leyte isn't done yet. Beginning of August, we started a new school build in Santo Nino National High School. We are supporting this community with another disaster resilient classroom and a drinking water station. This school has about 100 students and is needing more classrooms to host their regular and senior high school classes. The kids here wants to say something. We are so happy to be doing this because every student deserves a safe place to learn.